All right, today is March 31st, correct? The last day of March. Tomorrow is April Fool's Day. So we told you you have no school, but guess what? April Fools, you actually have school tomorrow. No, you don't. I'm just joking. But that would be a great April. That would be the ultimate April Fool's joke if you actually told every kid that there's no school tomorrow and then forced you in the morning to get up and go to school. That'd be awesome. Our question today is just to calculate $60 mentally with a various array of different percentages. Minimum, you can do the first four, obviously. 50% of $60 is $30. 25%, we get half of half. So if 50% is $30, half of that is $15. 10%, we move the decimal one spot, we get $6. 1%, we move the decimal two spots, we get 60 cents. 5% is half of 10%, so 10% $6. 5% $3. 15% would be the amalgamation of 10% and 5%, so $6 plus $3 is $9. 75% would be the combination of 50% and 25%, which is $45. And finally, 30%, you could put down 3 10%, which would be $18, or you could put down a 25% and a 5%, which is $18. Various ways you can do it, but either way, you get $18. So that first-hand side really only took me, 30 seconds to do the left-hand side. The right-hand side hopefully will be a little bit more challenging, but we'll see. 0.1%. Jordan, what's the way we get 0.1% of a number? What do we do when we get 0.1%? Yes, you can take 1% and divide it by 10, which actually works. Or a simpler way, it's what, Gavin? Move the decimal thrisely. So 10%, 1%, 0.1% would be 6 cents. Right, 6 cents. 0.5%. Julius, what do you do to get 0.5%? Correct. If you look at 1%, which is 60 cents, half of that would be 0.5%. So therefore, it's 30 cents. And the last one, Calvin, how do you get 200%? That's right. You just double the number. So it's $60. It's $120. So far, my brain has not hurt too much because those are pretty simple. So at the very basic level, every one we just did right now should be attainable by everybody in this room without too much brain power. And the next one doesn't get too much more complex because it's now 210%. And since I already know 200%, just add another $6 onto it, and I get $126. 15.5%. Well, I know 15%. And guess what? I know 0.5%. So I put those together, I get $9.30. Boy, you know what? My brain hasn't hurt too much yet. Now the next two. Did anyone use addition to get the answer to 99.9%? Because if you did, you done made your life too difficult because right now it's so much easier. How much less than 100% is 99.9%? 0.1% less. So if 0.1%, 100% take away 0.1% equals 99.9%. So $60, which is 100%, take away 6 cents, which is 0.1%, is $59.54. Or sorry, 94 cents. $59.94. Did that hurt my brain very much? Not really. Just had to take away 6 cents from $60, and I'm pretty confident with that. Now the next one is a doozy. It's a tough one. 86 3/5%. Now, the first thing I wanted you to probably do is realize that 3/5 is no good. But 3/5 is equal to 6/10. So these two questions are the same. Actually, I could have wrote it over here too, 86 and 6/10, because that's the equivalent fraction to 3/5. All three of those are the same thing. I'm going to choose 86.6%, and here's why. 50% plus 20, actually, let's go 75% plus 10%. What am I at so far? Anybody? That's right, 85%. Thank you very much. Plus 1%. I'm now up to 86%. plus 0.5%, I'm now up to 86.5%, plus 0.1%, I'm now up to 86.6%. So those are the 5 you had to add together. 75% is $45. 10% was $6. 1% was 60 cents. 0.5% was 30 cents. And 0.1% was 6 cents. 45 and 6 is 51. $51.90. $51.96. $51.96 is your sum.